How to change screen timeout or auto lock time on an Android. If you want to change how long your Android phone stays on before the screen automatically locks, this video will show you how. First, open the Settings app. Tap on Display and scroll down. Then select Screen Timeout or Auto Lock. Here, you'll see different options, such as 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. Choose the screen timeout you prefer. For example, I'll select 5 minutes. Now, go back, and the new screen timeout will be applied. Your phone will now automatically turn off and lock the screen after the selected amount of time. That's how you can change the screen timeout or auto lock time on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips.